Hello, how is it going? Welcome to my channel. If you like ASMR, tarot, and psychology, I recommend that you subscribe because that's the kind of stuff that I enjoy and that's the type of videos that I do. And in this video, you're going to get another chance to be invited to the secret live stream that is going to happen probably, very likely, at the beginning of February. We're still working out the date because I'm going to do it with a friend of mine who is an energy worker, Reiki master, and a tarot reader. So this is going to be a live event that is only available to those who get the invite. And in order to get the invite, I'm inviting you to play a game now. We have played this game before, so if you're interested, you can check out the videos in the description or by clicking the I button on the right side. So the game is very simple. I'm going to pull a card and you're going to have to guess what the card is. And if you can guess correctly, don't leave a comment, send me an email. You will find my email address in the description box. And if you send me an email with the right answer before the reveal video comes out, then you are going to be added to the mailing list and you will be invited to the secret show. It's going to be a live stream. I haven't done this before ever, so it's going to be very, very, very exciting. Where you can ask me, it's basically an AMA, so you can ask me anything. We're going to play some games. We're going to pull some cards. We're going to have a good time. So you can ask me any questions, and you can get a second opinion if my friend has another perspective on stuff that we're talking about there. So I think it's going to be definitely very interesting. So if you want to play with me now, then all you need to do is stay here and wait for me to pick the card. I'm going to sit the card down here at this little chair. And you can use your clairvoyant abilities if you want, if you can, in order to guess what the card is, or you can try and find out what it is by listening to some statements that I'm going to be making about this card. All right, now. So I've written down some analogies that I think could help you, that could give you a clue as to which card this is. So these are analogies. So I'm trying to speak to you about the energy of the card without giving you too much detail or any specific things. So maybe you will get it, maybe you won't. We'll see. Last time we tried this, many people were capable of guessing right, so I'm hopeful. Alright, so if this was, or if they were, a musical genre, it would be ambient. A type of food would be tofu. A celebrity that I think could embody this energy is Banksy. If they saw something illegal, they would disassociate. If they were an animal, I think they would be an owl. The strength of this card, and its energy is intuition, and the weakness is lack of pragmatic thinking. So, like I said, if you think you've got the answer, shoot me an email. And before the reveal video comes out, and if you guessed correctly, you're going to be invited to the Secret Life event. Now, the reveal video is going to come out tomorrow, so you don't have much time. Make sure to send me an email as soon as you can.